Welcome to Timberland Farms. My name's Anthony, and behind me is a hole. So if some of you may followed in the previous video, this area right here used to be nothing but mud and deep ruts. We dug up a Spectrum cable internet line. So that has been repaired. Spectrum came out and ran a new line. They still need to come bury it. That's for our cable internet. Upon further inspection, our tractor tire dug up our septic pipe going from our tank overflow into our leach field. So our leach field is off to my right over here, and our tank is to my left on this side. So I found a break right here. The pipe was squished flat. I dug that up where it was exposed and found that break. And we did a water flow test. We had the sink running, the bathtub running, and the shower running, as well as we flushed the toilets a couple times, all at the same time, trying to get a big bulk flow of water going down the septic into the tank and then overflowing into this hole. And we probably only got about 5 to 10 gallons inside this hole. And we're down to clay right here, so most of this water is not going to seep in and settle. It's going to stay right here, so it's not like it's going into the ground and disappearing. What the water that we have here is what's coming into the septic system. So we have a little bit more now because I dug this up yesterday just before it rained. We got rain, filled the hole up a little bit, so there's some rainwater mixed in with that as well, and more showers and stuff that we've had in the last day, and dirty sink water and stuff of that nature. We're gonna leave this exposed until we can get a new PVC pipe, put 2 fern coats on it, cut the bad section out, put some 2 fern coats on there, and put a new piece of PVC in there and cover it back up. Now we can get in here and replace this. Starts getting crushed right about here, so we'll cut it right there. Like a hot knife through butter. So there's our one brake there. It's squished, it's flat. And then it's obviously broken on the other side. So that's junk. Not quite sure if the new PVC is going to fit in there. We might only need one fern coat because of the bell there, but it's also, I don't know if it's measured on inside or outside dimensions. Yeah. Yeah, that's not going to fit in here. So we'll leave this back on there. Oh, that smells right. Down. Down. So we're going to estimate a halfway point for this fern coat, which we have to stretch out to fit over the PVC. All right, we can fast forward a couple days here, and now we got water inside our septic pipe hole, so we're gonna have to address this. I got ourselves a pump, was able to scavenge some scrap hose. I didn't want to use anything new. We're gonna prime this pump, plug it into our DeWalt portable power station. And then we let that thing pump. So we got the water level to go down a little over a foot. I can get down to fix this guy. I'd like to just pull it out of the sleeve, but I don't know if they have them glued or something, so I'm just gonna cut it and piece in a new piece right about here. Piece of cake. We're not going to want to leave this in the hole because it's going to leave a void. We'll throw that away. Let me put our fern coat on here. See if I can catch. Alrighty. Just got a fern coat. Well, as you can see here, the water filled back up again. It's the next day. It was like 9:30 at night by the time this drained. So let's go turn the pump on again and try again. This is like day 4. It's starting to get frustrating. Well, sorry guys, I didn't finish filming putting this back together. We were kind of in a rush. I didn't want to have this thing fill up with water again and not be able to use the septic to its full potential. So here it is, all filled back in, all fixed. And I guess I'll catch you on the next one. I was using the backhoe over there to move a pile of compost and turn it, and it died right there. I was trying to shift gears and also curl the bucket back, and it hit the stop, so it deadheaded the hydraulics onto the relief valve while also on a low idle, while also shifting from forward to reverse. So it's just a little overload at idle, made it die. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. We got a lot more projects ahead for this 1967 1968 case 580 CK that we just did a transmission rebuild on.